Good evening. Governor Tom Wolf says that his administration will spend $3 million on 2 studies, and those studies will look into the possible health impacts of natural gas drilling.
This week, several local families traveled to Harrisburg asking the state to look into a spike in Ewing sarcoma cases in Washington County. Andy Sheehan has more on the governor's plan to investigate.
I'm not a scientist, I'm not a doctor, I'm a mom. And something is wrong.
The families of young adults stricken by the rare cancer Ewing sarcoma have been petitioning the state for a study of the potential health impacts of shale gas drilling. Today, Governor Wolf said his administration will spend $3 million on a pair of studies to do just that.
This is something that we need to do. We need to understand the science. We need to make sure that if there's something we need to do differently, if there's something we can learn, let's learn that.
I'm so happy. I'm elated.
Janice Blannock's son Luke succumbed to Ewing sarcoma 3 years ago, and she's been fighting for this kind of study ever since. In the past 10 years, 6 students in the Cannon-McMillan School District have contracted the rare cancer, and 3, including Luke, have died. Their families have long suspected drilling and hydraulic fracturing.
I think a lot of people in this area are, extremely pleased with this decision to move forward into an investigation, and I think a lot of families will it will give answers and maybe closure.
While the shale gas industry denies such a link, 3 industry groups issued a statement in support for the study. These concerns are shared with our industry. We live here too and have no higher priority than protecting and ensuring the health and safety of our communities, especially our kids and grandkids.
I'm a strong supporter of the gas industry, but I'm also a strong supporter of making sure we do it right.
While the families have also called for a moratorium on fracking, the governor, a supporter of the industry, says the drilling will continue. You don't believe that fracking is the cause of these cancers?
I don't, but that's what we want to find out. We want to make sure that if there's something that is in that process that is linked to this, we need to know that.
Even if the results of this study are a long time coming, the fact that it will be conducted is very welcome news here at the Blannock home and throughout the region, where folks desperately want to know the reason behind these childhood cancers. In Cecil Township, Andy Sheehan, KDKA News.